Happy Sunday, traders. Welcome to episode 411 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here, and thanks. Thanks for making it, and wow. Been a good day so far. We've been productive, got things done. You know, check out the static video I produced on top 5 altcoins that look poised to break to the upside based on just coinciding variables and technical indicators and just price action. All right, check it out. And make sure to hit that like button, okay? Because we got that that incel, the incel that has 25 accounts. Oh my God, man! All right, so we're looking at Monero right now on the screen. That's the topic of conversation for today. Monero. I saw Logan said Monero. Very smart, very good. Please clap. All right, so just anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top, and 4 on the top, 4 total, right? As soon as you hit that, you sold off, right? Triangle, measure move, this sim triangle, hit the measure move, and went sideways, and then you broke out. You broke out of a channel you had been in, my God, since March. 1 year long downtrend, man. 1 year. That's a long correction, dude. All right. And so as soon as you broke out, you started forming a triangle, another symmetrical triangle, like little brother and big brother, right? You know, unfortunately, in the middle, I do see some sort of bearish bat. Really not that big a deal. It's a very small pattern, right? X, A, B, C, D. All right, or it's maybe just a Gartley. I think bullish Gartley, or bearish Gartley, excuse me. Well, either way, we may have hit targets we've already sold off. Doesn't really matter. As long as you stay above the upslipping support, the bottom trend line of the symmetrical triangle, you'll be okay. But we're just looking at it kind of like this, where we think that momentum's shifting, the selling, the lows are just not near as bad as they've been before. We just kept selling off so bad. So you'd say in midterm, I think you still got an opportunity here. I mean, it's not going to be the lowest risk entry for you, but you're pretty close. And who cares, man? That's the way trading goes, right? You take your shot, low risk, high reward opportunities, and go for the windfall. And if the measured move played out, man, from your major swing high to low, you're way above the golden zone, right? Or golden retrace and the golden zone. Okay, that puts you near the 786, 16,252 sats is what we're looking for on Monero if this symmetrical triangle can act as some sort of bullish reversal pattern. Okay, that's what we're looking for. All right. Lots and lots of support down here, though, at 12,000. If you ever fall down there, it'd be interesting to see how we can respond. Maybe bounce again. Even if you get stopped out, maybe more opportunity down here. All right. So that's about it. That is about it on Monero. I wish there was more to talk about. I already had it charted. I just wanted to give an update on that, on why maybe we might moon soon. And it's just specifically because we've been selling off incessantly for a year now. Over a year. It's almost April now, y'all, and this thing's finally out of that structure that it had been developing for a year. Pretty decent argument based on technical indicators, right? Technical analysis, and that's what we do here. We don't speculate. We're not like, I feel this way about something, I'm going to use philosophy on a project speculation. Okay, man. Nah, dude, no thanks. All right, man, that's Monero. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you enjoyed the Monero analysis. Now we're just going to go to Bitcoin. Whatever, man. Sunday afternoon, the sun's out, it's beautiful. Temperatures are warming up. Altcoins are starting to warm up. Some of them anyway, right? But Bitcoin looks like it's, ooh. That wickage, man, we just got very recently. We've got about 2 hours left on the daily and weekly candles. And 4 hour, of course. But here you go, man. I don't know. We just looked at it as kind of like an upsloping flag or something. You know, head and shoulders, really ugly. Head and shoulders, whatever. And we're still, we talked about that support, horizontal line support. Ran down and touched it and wicked off of it, right? 39.47. Well, you got candle closes and wicks all over the place, right? At this area. So, low volume. I mean, if you're just, you know, weekend warrior stuff, no one's trading it. Yeah, the bot's just going to be like that. It's just going to bounce around until eventually the humans want to, you know, exchanges people out there with a lot of money, you know, create some selling or buying pressure to push this thing up more or down. And it's just not happening right now, and it makes sense because of the time of the week. All right. That's it, dude. Negative momentum. You're holding on to negative momentum. There's still lots of it. I mean, it's not going anywhere. You're neutral, so this thing could go either way. But you would just think with the lower high you developed before than your previous high, you would think the sell-off would continue. But hey, man, we've seen crazier things happen in crypto, man. All right. Got close to 382. That's the target. And you're looking for 618 eventually. Holy crap, man. Whew. Been a good day, dude. Been a good day. So take a look at some chat. What's up, Kang Logan, man? Monero, indeed. What's up, Anthony Rossano? William Battles. Give me a sound check, too. Anthony Littlewood. Yeah, that weekly candle close is upon us, dude. That's right. 1992, what a year, what a day, what an age. The high crest of civilization seems to have washed over the edge once. What once was. Time for a new age of crypto. Yeah, 1992, Alabama won national title. Boom. Kings. Coach Gene Stallings. What's up, Zora, dude? Yeah, Zora, I hope someone would sub to us while we're streaming, but, you know, for the new graphic, I don't even know if it'll work. I think I tested it. It seems like it'll work, but Stream Elements is weird about subs because I don't know if it means like Twitch subs or follows. I put it on followers and subs. I don't know how it's going to read it. So, what's up, Moz, man? Jeremy S. Jordan Miller, dude. Arthur Beeswax. Kanatomo, man. True Stoner, man. Good to see y'all all up in here on a Sunday. Y'all could be doing anything. It's awesome, man. Jim Plunkett's here from the UK. Thanks for being here. Across the pond. That's what these streams are for. You know, it's kind of a little bit more reasonable for a European to watch the day stream than the night stream. For us, anyway, in the US. Life and all that. Good to be back. Well, Jim, I'm glad you're back, man. Thanks for being here, bro. Billy, man. Dude, do you really know Storm Chasers? Tell me the truth, dude. Tell me the truth. I looked up. I already talked to a few people about this. I already looked up how much it would cost if I wanted to go storm chase with some professionals and not have to be like on a bus, and it'd be kind of almost like a one-on-one, but it's like a one on the team, right? Hey, Ringo Dingo, thanks for the 100 biddies, man. Thanks, dude. And it's expensive. It's like $2,800 if I just wanted to like go chase tornadoes with these professionals, and it'd just be like really qualitative. Okay, but that's just like really unreasonable, I think, for me anyway. So whatever, dude. So Billy, man, if you know Storm Chasers, dude, maybe they can give me a discount or something, dude. Or I did tell them I could just go up and borrow your truck and just wing it, right? Just wing a tornado chase and stream it, dude. Hilarious. Okay, Monk ass. Mitch Wilson, right? Yeah, dude. Win retirement, win cardboard box, Jordan Miller. What's up, Bell Crypto, dude? Sure, incredible, man. Thanks for viewing, dude. Thanks for tuning in. That's all I could ask for, man. Binance Connect is going up, John Doe. Yeah, what's new, dude? It's been going up since like October, man. Kangage on BNB. All right. Whew. Just getting through chat, and then we're gonna roll on. Henry Hine wants ZRX. Okay, dude. Sure, man. Whatever. What you talking about, William Battles, dude? Beware the Sam Squanch. We're also gonna look at Quant Coin for Zipper. I know he asked about it. What do you think about the Quant Network? I don't know, dude. We're gonna analyze it. Give me a sec. Let me did I have that up? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Interesting. We can if we want. Oh, I like it. So yeah, let's look at it real quick. I mean, whatever, man. We did like a whole segment on XRP yesterday, like US dollar. So nothing's really changed. All right, we're looking at Quant Coin, whatever, for Zipper, man. So I don't know. I don't think we can use that wick up there. Does it make sense? Not really, no, when you use this candle. So I just use anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom and just 1 on the top. You get the heart line. Look, candle closes, you wick up to the 75, but you candle close below the heart line, right at the heart line, and more heart line, right? So it seems like market interpretation is pretty good here. I mean, you had a nice move to the upside, but now you're making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Retrace wise, I don't know, man. It's like the wick, dude. What do we do with the wick, dude? Wicks are like kryptonite. Volatility wicks like that can kill like your fibs, man, because you don't really know if you're doing it right. But it seems like we went from the lowest point to the highest wick. We would be right at the 786, kind of double bottoming, and now we're making higher lows than that little double bottom, all right? So I don't know, man. You're just downtrending, but you're now getting into deep retrace levels. Do I see any kind of formal structure or pattern? It's hard to say, man. I don't really see it. I mean, that's not really any kind of price action, is it? It's like a broadening bottom, maybe, right, where you just have like two diverging trend lines. See, and what do you use the wicks, man? Like, really? See, it's just like a broadening bottom, which is a bearish continuation for the most part. And I don't know, man. Daily, I don't know if there's enough like data. Like, impulse down and you consolidate. So what do you do if you use that wick up here? It really just looks like still a broadening bottom of some sort. And holding on to negative momentum on the daily. You're not really, I don't see anything promising about this in terms of a trade setup. Okay, you know, if I'm analyzing this, I don't really see anything that's sticking out to me like, oh man, look at all these coinciding variables that are giving me reason to believe we're gonna just bump to the upside sometime soon, right? I don't see that right now. All right, and it's low liquidity, right? With all these wicks, you see these wicks, this price action here. This means very little people are trading this, and it's like, whatever, man. There's opportunity out there. I just don't see too much in terms of just a trade setup here. I just don't, man. So that's your quantum, man. Neutral RSI. I mean, I guess there's divergence, but really, I don't know, man. There's a little bit, but that's not really enough to make me want to take a bite at this. Okay, there you go, Zipper dude. All right, and others who asked about it. There you go, Night Waher. All right, man. Quant. Boom. All right. All right, Bitcoin's bullishly engulfing right now, man. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Below 20 and 50 moving average. Whatever. Weekend warrior. Great. Let's go to Ethereum. Wait, my bad. Is this it? No, it's Ethereum to, okay, Bitfinex, yeah. Okay, so still just hanging on, dude. You are getting squeezed in. You're not at the bottom trend line of the rising wedge and the down sloping trend line of that little mini channel we're in, right? Below the 20, 50, and 200 moving average right now. Not good. Not really good to be below those, but still just holding support for now. If you were to break it, if Bitcoin was to break down, you could bet your butt Ethereum's going to break down too. A measured move of the rising wedge we're in would put you at the, again, same analysis, right? Make this only on the daily. You're going to be put right at that bottom trend line of the much larger pattern, right? The rising wedge. Okay, so that's it, man. Okay, you can either break to the upside with Bitcoin and run to the top and be around $150, or it's more likely that you would break down and then hit a measured move. All right, but just anytime you analyze these US dollar pairs, you gotta take into consideration Bitcoin's price action, where it is in its development of its consolidation. All right, if it's consolidating at all. All right, that's it. XRP again, man. XRP doing a whole bunch of nothing, man. It fell out of the triangle and it's still out. No good, man, right? You broke this upsloping support and you're out of it. You back tested it as resistance. You're below your 20, 50, and 200 moving average, and you're bearishly fanning out, right? Your 20 is diverging away from the 50. The 50 is starting to diverge away from the 200. That's not good. That's normally bearish. That's what happens a lot of times at the beginning of little runs, okay? So, you know, where you are now, I mean, there's chop around and stuff, right? But it would seem more likely that you would run down to at least 30 cents, 30.1 cents, and touch the bottom trend line again, right? Since that's what you do. If you break out of a support and then you use it as resistance and fail to get back above to make it a support again, then you will sell off. You will sell off. There's just not going to be enough demand. All right, so that's it on XRP. Great, dude. Okay, gonna lose some more chat. Oh yeah, the troll's back, dude. I got 25 Google accounts. I'm just gonna dislike all his videos. I got him, dude. Like, yeah, you did, man. You got me, dude. You have a gem for me, Zeron, man? We've looked at it, dude. Thanks for the 100 people tuned in. Wow. You heard Monero isn't really private, but in theory you can trace any crypto, especially if you get comfortable. What about quantum computing, man? What's up, Paul Castellano, dude? Nice name. Charlie Molden, glad you're here, man. Is Neo the chosen one? McTits? I don't know, dude. James the Water Cooler just fired up a Coinbase account, Billy, man. Oh my god, dude. I guess, yeah, dude. I can look at OMG again. Whatever, man. Sure, dude. What's up, Adrian A? Scary, man. Boo. Joe Santana, man. What's up, Super Saiyan Jesus, man? Hello, Rick Schmitz. Anytime, Zipper, dude. You know some professionals, dude. Hook it up, man. I'll make that my next trip, dude. I'll fly up there whenever, dude. 'Tis the season. It's coming, man. It's coming. April, game time. You could buy a lot of BCN for that? Yeah, dude. Seriously, man. Mr. Deep, man. Fortunately, or hopefully you saw the Ethereum analysis we just did. Okay, dude. So, Bill Crypto. I don't know, man. There's a lot of S coins out there. Okay, dude. Just when I think I've analyzed them all, you keep bringing new ones up, right? People keep bringing up new S coins that I haven't looked at ever. Okay. Storm crapped out. I'm just writing these down, okay? There's a lot of S-Coin requests today. Good God, man. Everyone just look at everything. I'm just getting these written down, dude. Okay. What's up, JD, dude? You like Rick Schmitz? Thanks, dude. Shriba, I hope you're having a good day. Alright, thank you, man, for the support, dude. Much love. Okay. So, XRP's done. So what was first? What was asked for first that I saw? How about that, dude? Whoa! False breakout. Oh my god, false breakout. ZRX was so close. But hey, here's the thing. We've broken out of the downsloping structure. Though we have not broken the triangle, we've broken this downsloping trend line. Extends back to November. Wow, man. That's pretty lit, dude. Okay, so, I mean, you could do it a couple ways, right? You could go from the height of the structure, or you can go from the previous swing high here from January, high to low. You're probably already at near 50% retrace with that 74.72 high, right? 50% retrace. Literally touched it, man. You touched it, used it as resistance, and sold off and rejected it. Wow. How about fibs, man? Fibs are king. Fibs are king. Okay, so measure move. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'd really use the measure move in this situation. That's a huge pattern. So anything, man, just use the fibs. I think, what else did we do? There was no real resistance. I mean, look, when you broke to the upside, you hit a resistance from January 13th, right? You also hit resistance, look, back from September 2018, man. Look left, right? Important stuff. You hit these resistance points, look, back from March of 2018. A lot of it. And so that's what you hit, and that's why you got rejected. That's why you're not flying higher right now. And you also are getting a little overbought when you hit that resistance and the 50% retrace from our previous swing high to low, all right? So, let's see if we can get some confluence going from the previous high here, high to low. Confluence zone is between, or it's really around 7,800 sats. And then you have another one around 8345 sats. And then your next one's the 618, 8977, all right? So if this thing was really to run from the height of the structure to the low point, yeah, you're just looking right, whatever, man. So just something like this. Second target. There's your confluence zone right there, man. But you're already up there, right? You've already. I mean, you haven't hit technically the target, the confluence zone target, but you hit 50%, and there's reasons why we sold off. Okay. That's great, man. That's great. And others could argue we would just go from the very top. Okay. And you could fib there too. All right. So that's 0x, man. Nice little breakout, but it was a false breakout of the triangle, but still outside the downsloping structure that we've been in again since November, mid to late November. 0x, man. Whoa, doing things. Oh, yeah. Crazy stuff. Yeah, dude. Bitcoin's down $14 on the day. It's mooning. Jakester, come on, man. Dude, Miss Cantoma, it's okay. You know, the guy obviously has a mental disability. So whatever, you know. Let the guy waste away doing his thing. But it is kind of sad that we have people that aren't mentally disabled not hitting the like button. So it's like combating him, right? So now it's like, you know, what is it? 23 dislikes, 54 likes. Okay, yeah, I guess my content sucks, right? Clearly, based on the likes to dislikes ratio. All right. Thanks, Fizon King. Appreciate it, dude. Awesome. Yeah, Kappa, Cod for Crypto. Kappa, dude. Alright. OMG to BTC. Okay, man. Oh, really? We broke the downsloping structure from the high point to low point. We're at the 382. Are you kidding? Look at the daily. Oh, it wasn't just a downsloping structure. It was also a falling wedge pattern. Falling wedge pattern. We're above the 200-day moving average, but again, getting rejected. Tara and Cigar, welcome to the Harmonic House, man. Welcome, dude. It's our new thing, okay? It's a new thing, dude. Okay, we might change the audio up too. I don't know how we'll do that. I think we keep the Jesus chimes for the tips and just have some other kind of shorter Jesus chime for joining the Harmonic House, all right? Welcome. Okay, dude. Height of the wedge to the bottom. You're at it, man. You're getting rejected at the beginning of the golden zone, the shorter term golden zone, right? We talked about the grander, much larger golden zone, and we're talking about the short term golden zone, okay? Because you got one that's way up here. Because this isn't, I mean, really, that's not a very discernible swing high on the daily, in my opinion. But you can still use it for a short-term trade. But really, the discernible swing high is way up here from May of 2018, almost a year. We've been just selling off incessantly, okay? So from the high point to low point, here you are. Well, from that high point to low point, here you are, 382, 975 to 1393 is the golden zone. I mean, that's literally where you could run to in time. It's going to take a while, though, because I just talked about a year-long sell-off. You're not going to get to the golden zone overnight or even within a week or two. It might take months to get there, all right? But the Momo shift is real. Just look at it like this, man, right? Huge impulse up, a rising wedge, and you're starting to sell off, right? You're below the 200-day moving average now, right? In this context. So there's the quick reiteration of OMG, dude, okay? Sweet. Of course, King Logan, dude. He does it like almost every video now. It's pretty cool, I guess, for good for engagement, but getting the daily TA, Rick Schmitz. That's it, dude. That's it, man. Those are in the picture. Key. No, that's Litecoin. No, key. Yeah, dude. I'll look at it. Sorry. There's just, man, it's literally endless. Okay. Just when I think I have everything charted, looked at, you don't have it all looked at. Okay, so just give me a second. All right, dude, I'm just gonna delete all these. Wow, like I haven't looked at this in a while because I know I have white horizontal lines. Change it to magenta. All right, we good? Sure. Okay, dude. Okay. Yeah, terrible, man. Just dumpster fire from the get-go. Dumpster fire from the get-go,
dude. Mitch Wilson Ray, Master Sensei of the Crypto Kai Dojo located in Greenbow, Alabama. Live TA with Mitch Wilson Ray, the master of the RSI, sponsored by Nutella and Mountain Dew. Think TV Cooper. And 589, could you check BNB please?
Sure, man. I'll look at BNB right after key. Alright. Thanks, dude. Much love, Kevin, Mikhail, the 589 Kings. Much love. So just dumpster fire from the get-go. All right, pumpy dumpy. Definitely, if it ICO'd, it looks like it wasn't. It was nothing about expanding to get more money for their project. It looks just more like hey, the people that had this beforehand wanted to dump on everyone else's head. This is exactly what Key looks like. Key is a loser coin. All right, big loser coin. The developers are losers and they ICO'd so they could scam you, okay? That's what this chart looks like to me. Anyway, we're gonna look zoomed in. I'm just gonna see one little structure, you know, huge impulse down, great. Oops, tool. Not bad. Not bad. Heartline resistance, resistance to 75. Clearly some resistance to the 75. 75, 75, right? You can't break it. Heartline resistance. All right, so whatever. So huge impulse down, down sloping consolidation. Looks like there's some sort of short-term little uptrend going on. Get our parallel channel out. And it'll just look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost looks like a rising wedge, right? Almost looks like a rising wedge. It's like almost that, right? Almost, man. It's really a channel, okay? But you know, in order to get the touch points you need, like you have to free ball it, okay? You have to like draw it yourself. So, what are you looking at, dude? Let me see. I can't really tell the scaling of what you've drawn. I can't see anything, dude. Okay, so maybe you want to like scale it out using you clicking on this and moving up so I can see it better. All right. Anyway, triangle. I don't see it, man. Okay, I don't really see it. So nothing. I mean, I guess it's kind of promising in terms of if we broke to the upside, we could make a major retrace. And dude, I don't even know what to do with these wicks, man. It's like, do I just use the top wick here? The scrubby, oh my god, like what do you want me to do, dude? Like, I don't even know if it's interpreted that way. I have no idea. Okay, so if you were to fib from the height to the bottom, I mean, you're looking between 98 and 119 if it does break to the upside. But dude, I have no idea. It could run up, hit the top here, and just sell off again. Okay, key, it's nothing special at all. It's just a random S coin, all right? Just some bullish convergence, I guess, you know, and really not really showing us anything, okay? That's it, dude. Key coin. Jeez. Unreal, man. It just keeps going, dude. But where are you, dude? Where are you? On BNB. BNB is literally at that top, that 100% retrace from June of 2018. That's the height of the fib, the high point to low point of our Fibonacci. You're there, man. You've hit it perfectly. All right, $17.62 or so, right? And you know, this pattern right here, I don't know, completely just kind of invalidated, right? I mean, you're just chopping around, completely disregarding it as any kind of resistance. It's a joke, right? So, whatever, man. It's like, good for you. Maybe we could adjust here and use different anchor points. Not use this bottom one, but use this one here. It doesn't really make too much sense, I guess, right? I mean, like, what, do you use it like that, where you just have the impulse and then the beginning of the pattern starts when you start consolidating somewhat? All right, so just much lower, 1 and 2 now. That's all you can really do, man. Okay, so Good for you, dude. Good for you. You set yourself up and you broke the upside. It looked like, I guess it ended up being some sort of not even really a rectangle, dude. There's not much structure here. Like, do it like this. It was just some sort of ascending, broadening wedge, and you broke to the upside, like, and now you're at the overhead resistance, right? That's great, man. It's great news. Congratulations on your 100% retrace from your June of 2018 highs. You did it, man. You did it. If you were to break this, though, we already have targets. If you were to break it, dude, we're serious. $21.13. That is the next area where you could run to. All right, yeah, dude, there's no resistance. It's not real resistance at all. None of that. It's just chop. That's nothing. That's up and down, up and down. So, yeah, you would expect if we could break this convincingly with volume, whatever, you could see 21.13 or anywhere near it, okay? But, dude, this thing has been killing it. All right, had a bearish pattern, then broke to the upside of the measure move of the pattern, and then started, I guess, diverging and upsloping. And there you are, man. Beautiful. Freaking beautiful. But man, this is like high risk, okay? Really high risk areas. You're just now getting overbought, okay? So as your BNB, man, wow, what an epic journey. That all started really back in December. I think it was October for the BTC pair. Jeez. Anyway, let's go through some chat again, and then we'll get back to the S coins. No, Captain Happy, I don't believe so. Okay, dude. Yeah, Michael, we got your BNB covered, dude. Hopefully, right there, you just saw it, man. Oh my god. No, I'm good, Captain Happy. No thanks, dude. A good thing I'm not streaming the March Madness tournament live this year. Don't test me, dude. I'll do it, man. I'll do it. If people want me to do March Madness, let's go, dude. Jeez. The RSI, I don't know, man. You look overbought, man. You look overbought. Yeah, I mean, you're kind of diverging. The MACD looks pretty good. Insane, dude. A CZ triangle. Nice one, dude. Lee plot. Nice one. Chinpeng Zhao. Right. Someone tipped me in bat yesterday, Stuart, man. It's pretty cool. I bet like a king, man. I've been live for about 40 minutes now. Please hit that like button, that bell, stuff if you're enjoying the programming, but I get it if you don't want to. It's like, whatever. Clearly, what I do is not worth a like, but I get it, dude. What is this? Oh my god. I don't know, man. I'm gonna look at it. Oh. ELA Lastos coin. God. See if we can include this in some sort of structure. I don't really know if we can. God. Huh. What is that? Okay. It's not bad. See, that's not bad at all, because it's like 75% resistance, the double top. Support, resistance, double top of the heart line. 25% support, resistance. Finally broke it. It's not bad. So it seems like you could be ready. I mean, what do you want me to do with this? This was probably that trap, man. That bear trap. Capitulation, then pop the V, and then you just sold off again. Looks like some, man, close to a bearish cipher or bat right there. X, A, B, C, D. Right? Dumped. Okay, so clearly, you know, you're making higher lows now than before, but we've never, look, when we popped this, so we never even tested this. So maybe you could wait for a back test to 57,320, but dude, I don't know. And I think you clearly broke some sort of down slipping resistance, right? Like that. You broke out clearly, you know, channel. Okay, so nice break to the upside, huge pump, and it's like you're double topping again, right? Look, the double top, then the huge drop, right? Look, double top, huge drop. Is it repeating itself with another double top? I mean, looks kind of like it, doesn't it? But either way, man, this thing sucks. It's just a lower high, lower low. Look, oh yeah, this isn't a scam, dude. This isn't, yeah, these guys, look, another double top. These guys ICO'd because they wanted to expand funds so they could keep building that awesome product they have. It's called Imagination Potion, okay? Lastos, dude. They're a fantastic group of individuals that they really, when they ICO'd, they knew they were going to be, they already had a working product, Kappa. Wait, they didn't have a working product when they ICO'd. So, okay, what was the whole point? And it was really just to scam people, to, you know, open, you know, whatever, wherever, and then run up and then dump on everyone else. And all it is now is lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Dumpster fire, man. Who cares, dude? Dumpster fire. So, good luck to you on Lastos, man. Okay, here is Storm. Storm definitely crapped out, right? It was like up here. Remember when it ran up and like the 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 rejections up here. Never even touched the 200-day moving average after selling. Good 4 hour, I guess. Man, so much resistance up there, dude. But maybe it can be argued that it's like ascending triangle-esque, right? Where there's clearly a sell wall, but higher lows, right? All right, something like that, maybe. I mean, it's very possible you could have an ascending triangle developing right now after the impulse up. So bullish continuation, maybe. Yeah, possibly, dude. I mean, look, this one's just one of those that like was in this crazy nasty sell-off like forever, and then it broke out but did nothing and sold off to slightly lower lows than your previous lows. And you know, it's obviously all-time lows. So from low point to high point, I know we're around the 1272 or 1414, and so we're bouncing off of it, holding support here, and you could be poising to break to the upside because the high point to low point, the golden zone is between 103 and 127 sats. All right, so maybe we could expect that soon. Okay, Storm, it crapped out, but it might be accumulating, getting ready to bounce to the upside. All right, there was a measured move of this pattern. Measure move puts us at 111 sats. That's it, dude. There's your Storm. Potential ascending triangle. Oh yeah, Oklahoma's playing tonight. Uh-oh, man. Nice, Billy, man. That's good, dude. You made a lot of money, dude. You sold 17 or so. Jeez, man. 31 dislikes. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 31 dislikes. Let's do this, baby. Hey, this guy's trying to help people. Let's destroy him. Let's try to ruin him, dude. He's trying to help people. Screw him. Dude, these people are evil. These are like evil people, right? Really, they're trying to hurt me. It's like, for what? For helping other people. Doing stuff for free for other people. Might as well dislike, right? Crazy, man. Crazy world we live in where evil is really there. I mean, it's crazy, dude. Yeah, then we have this on some exchange. What is it? Oh yeah, that's right. So it's the daily. Here's SC. We had our huge impulse down, our falling wedge with bullish divergence, daily time scale broke out, and now we're back testing, really struggling to break above this 74 sat range, which is the 236 of the Fibonacci from the high to low. All right, so we're expecting anywhere between 83 and 96, between 382 and 620, the golden zone. All right, so that's it, man. It's literally it. We've already analyzed it. Whatever, whoever asked. Do you want the Discord? Fazan, it's someone post the Discord link. So, but Giacaba and company. So, Dirty Fergie. Okay, man. Whatever, dude. What a stream, dude. Thanks for coming out. See y'all tonight. Till next time, respect the TA.